Artivatic CMS portal is an AI-based investment portal. The dashboard shows us a particular investor's total investment, his total net worth, his total profit or loss margin, and his relationship manager's contact details. This graph shows how many companies an investor has invested in, as well as how many units of each stock he has bought, and this can also be seen according to its worth. This graph shows what type of fund an investor is prone to investing in, and as you can see here, it's 100% equity, which can also be measured in worth. The market news column shows a live feed of all the news which has happened in a market in a particular day. The investment accounts show the active portfolios under a user's account. And the recent account activities show what securities a particular investor has been buying or selling over the last few days. The quick recommendations are based on the investor's interest in particular companies. For example, if he is interested in finance instrument funds, then he will see more of FI companies which are low risk and have a particular per unit cost for each stock. Based on his previous activities, this recommendation tool shows him the 4 best investment options for him. The event-driven recommendations are based on a market scenario and is controlled by a fund manager. The fund manager makes rules whenever a particular event occurs in the market. For example, when Mr. Sikka resigned from Infosys, it affected the unit price of the stocks. The fund manager suggests mid-cap investment options for the money withdrawn from Infosys. As we can see on the portfolio page, our investor has many portfolios, but only 2 of them are active. We can also see the sentiment of each company at market open time and market close time, and it is tracked according to other people who have posted on Twitter. The green denotes positive reactions, while the red denotes negative reactions, and the white denotes a lack of information on the particular company. The investment graph shows how much has been bought or sold over the last few months. The IPO list, which is the initial public offerings, is only shown to investors who are interested in buying IPO stocks. The insight page shows the overall insights across the platform, how many stocks have been invested in each kind of fund, and what are the values of these stocks. And this can be viewed in a chronological format from 1 week to 6 months. The peer tracker shows what type of investments have been made by similar users as the investor. This graph shows how many investors have invested in what type of security, while this graph shows the amount which has been invested in each security. The prediction tool helps to figure out what an investor will do based on his previous behaviors and also on the market scenario. So if the market is high, then the investor will be expected to sell, while if the market is low, he would be expected to invest more and sell less, while if it's low, he would not sell much and would prefer to invest instead. Thank you.